Hello everyone. In this video there are 16 phrasal verbs with the word away. Let's start the lesson. Throw away. Throw away. Meaning: to get rid of something that you no longer want. To get rid of something that you no longer want. I had to throw away the uneaten food. I had to throw away the uneaten food. Keep away. Keep away. Meaning: to avoid someone or something. To avoid someone or something. You must keep away from the dog. You must keep away from the dog. Take away. Take away. Meaning: to remove something. To remove something. Take away the glasses and the tray. Take away the glasses and the tray. Turn away. Turn away. Meaning: to refuse admittance or acceptance. To refuse admittance or acceptance. The stadium was jammed and they had to turn away hundreds of disappointed fans. The stadium was jammed and they had to turn away hundreds of disappointed fans. Run away. Run away. Meaning: leave or escape from a place, person, or situation. Leave or escape from a place, person, or situation. His first instinct was to run away from danger. His first instinct was to run away from danger. Put away. Put away. Meaning: store something in an appropriate or usual place. Store something in an appropriate or usual place. The fruit should be carefully put away. The fruit should be carefully put away. Carried away. Carried away. Meaning: to be so excited about something that you do not control what you say or do. To be so excited about something that you do not control what you say or do. I got completely carried away and almost cried. I got completely carried away and almost cried. Walk away. Walk away. Meaning: to leave a place, situation, or person. to leave a place, situation, or person. He was tempted to walk away from the problem. He was tempted to walk away from the problem. Pass away. Pass away. Meaning: die. Die. Her loving husband did not know that he would pass away. Her loving husband did not know that he would pass away. Stay away. Stay away. Meaning: to not go near someone or something. To not go near someone or something. I want you to stay away from my daughter. I want you to stay away from my daughter. Give away. Give away. Meaning: give something freely as a gift or donation. Give something freely as a gift or donation. We have 6 copies of the book to give away. We have 6 copies of the book to give away. Break away. Break away. Meaning: escape from someone's hold. Escape from someone's hold. I felt the need to break away from home. I felt the need to break away from home. Drive away. Drive away. Meaning: to depart in a vehicle. To depart in a vehicle. We heard him drive away. We heard him drive away. Clear away. Clear away. Meaning: to remove something from an area or surface. To remove something from an area or surface. Can you clear away all your toys now? Can you clear away all your toys now? Go away. Go away. Meaning: to leave a place or person. To leave a place or person. I think we need to go away and think about this. I think we need to go away and think about this. Look away. Look away. Meaning: to turn your eyes away from something or someone. To turn your eyes away from something or someone. The bright light made her look away. The bright light made her look away.